Hey guys, I'm the wickedly talented Adele Dazeem. Wait, what? Hey guys, I'm Clayton Hawkins, celebrity hairstylist, and you do not want to know what I had to do for a Klondike bar. It wasn't great. Today, we're talking ponytails and braids. That's right, I'm gonna show you 3 different Harry Styles. His name is Harry Styles. Anyways, like I said, today we're talking ponytails and braids. I'm gonna show you 3 sickening hairstyles, each one super unique and easy to do at home, so stick around. Okay, so the first look is gonna be a super textured, half-up ponytail with a ton of volume. So we're gonna prep this look by curling our hair with 2 different irons, a 1-inch iron and a 0.75-inch iron. You wanna use 2 different irons so that the hair has that lived-in rustic cool feel and not like a ringlet. And now we're gonna throw the hair half back. So I'm gonna grab my brush and spray it with a medium hold hairspray. So if you want a neat ponytail, you've gotta take your time. So once you feel like you've gotten it clean, neat, and tight, grab a clear elastic and secure the ponytail. Okay, and we're done. No, I'm just kidding. So basically you just want this hair out of the way, standing up straight. So next I'm gonna grab this custom ponytail piece that I've made. So most ponytail pieces either have a bungee like this, or they have like a Velcro piece that you wrap around. So we're gonna put it underneath, so your real hair sits on top. Okay, so I've hooked the hair piece, and now I'm just gonna release my real hair on top of it. Okay, and now to set the look truly over the edge, I'm gonna grab a piece of black velvet ribbon, and instead of using bobby pins to secure it, I'm gonna use wig tape. It's basically like double-sided tape, super easy, and I'm just gonna stick that ribbon around the base of my ponytail. And the results, J-Lo who? Okay, so the second look today is gonna be a low snatched braid, very Tomb Raider energy. Okay, so I'm gonna start by pulling my hair back into a tight, low ponytail and securing with an elastic. So now I'm just gonna grab my braiding hair. That's right, this is just like $5 braiding hair. You can get it at any beauty supply store. So I'm gonna start by dividing this hair up into 5 different sections. And then I'm just gonna grab some edge tamer and lock each section off. So once you have the hair all organized and ready to go, you're gonna grab your first piece and you're gonna wrap it around the base of your ponytail and secure it with a hairpin. And now I'm just gonna do a simple 3-strand braid. So after one, for lack of a better term, braid formation, you're gonna grab the hair that's all ready to go and you're gonna feed it into the braid. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. What is this, Frozen 3, Glaciers in Space? But I've got some tricks to make it look a little less Halloween-y. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is add a light brown root powder all throughout the braid. If you have like a brown eyeshadow, that'll do the same thing. See, it already looks way less Disney store. No shade. Well, actually, yes, shade. I shaded it. So next I'm gonna grab my handy dandy velvet ribbon and I'm gonna wrap it around the base of the ponytail. That way you don't see where the fake hair connects to the real hair. So the ends of synthetic braids are not my favorite. So what I like to do is grab a human hair weft, add a little wig tape to it, and attach it to the end of the braid. And now I'm gonna grab my leftover velvet and wrap that around the track. Seriously, I am Lara Croft too. Is it Laura Croft or Lara Croft? I only played it once at a sleepover and I was too distracted by her braid, so, you know, I didn't do well. But who's laughing now? Okay, I've taken the braid out, and now we're gonna do our final look, which is gonna be a romantic, almost English rose, low, bouncy ponytail with a big scrunchie. So for this look, we're gonna be utilizing another bungee ponytail hairpiece. So my biggest pet peeve, you guys, is when people are using ponytail hairpieces and you can see their little short bits sticking out.
That's a trigger for me.
What I like to do is create a really small knot with the short hair and then wrap this around the knot. That way, none of your real hair is out. I mean, how sweet is this ponytail? Sure, Jan. So next I'm gonna add this beautiful, delicate scrunchy piece and I'm gonna wrap it around the base of the ponytail. Okay, heaven must be missing an angel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had fun. I know I did. If you like this video and want to see more like this, be sure to hit up my page at Clayton Hawkins and give it a follow. See ya! Babe, I feel so pretty.